Master the science of drug development. Master of Pharmacy in Pharmaceutical Chemistry at Chandigarh University ensures hands-on learning in advanced pharmaceutical research and drug development. Prepare for a future in cutting-edge pharmaceutical research with Pharmaceutical Chemistry Lab. Gain practical exposure to clinical data handling, drug formulation, and quality assurance with cutting-edge facilities, research ecosystem focusing on publication and IPR support, interdisciplinary research, experiential learning, and industry-defined research project problems. Benefit through collaborations with top pharmaceutical companies, internships, and guest lectures from global experts. Gain global exposure and international research opportunities, preparing you for careers beyond borders. Forge a successful career through opportunities with top pharmaceutical companies. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.